Hello everyone. Today we had a customer write in to our customer support saying that they had a Sierra Pacific casement window with our part number 137 Truth Encore handle on it. And the handle was hard to open because the window is installed above a sink faucet and it gets in the way. So they wanted to know if they could remove the handle 137 and replace it with our 108 hand knob, which is a lower profile. So that's what we're going to look at today. This is our Truth Encore 137 cover and handle. So we're going to remove that by removing the set screw. Which exposes our spline. And then I just got one of our 108 hand knobs, and it's also attached by a set screw here. And we're going to put this guy on and see how he operates the window. So he's on there tight, he fits pretty good. The window's unlocked. And he operates the casement pretty good. So that is definitely an option. If you do need something with a lower profile so it doesn't get in the way, you can replace it with our 108 knobs, or any of the other Truth handles would probably work for that. Works on the Encore. Thank you so much.